Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the King card game. This classic trick-taking game uses a standard deck of 52 cards. It's usually enjoyed by 4 players, with each person receiving 13 cards to start. The game unfolds over a series of rounds, known as contracts or deals, each presenting a unique goal or challenge. Understanding these contracts is key to mastering the game. The heart of King lies in its contracts. A full game consists of 8 distinct contracts, 7 negative and 1 positive. During negative contracts, your goal is to avoid taking certain cards or tricks to keep your score low. For instance, in No Hearts, you want to avoid winning any heart cards. The single positive contract, King of Hearts, is unique, as your objective is to specifically capture the King of Hearts card. Playing a trick is straightforward. The player seated to the dealer's left begins by leading the first card. Subsequent players must follow suit if they have a card of that suit in their hand. If you don't have the led suit, you can play any card you wish. Once all 4 players have played, the trick is won by the person who played the highest card of the suit that was originally led. The winner of a trick then leads the next one. Scoring in King depends entirely on the contract being played. For example, in the No Tricks contract, each trick you take will cost you 20 points. Conversely, in the King of Hearts contract, successfully capturing the King of Hearts card earns you 40 points. After all 8 contracts have been completed, each player tallies their total score. The player who has accumulated the lowest overall score is declared the winner of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.